Hello and welcome. You will learn what is 28-day keto challenge and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. 28-Day Keto Challenge is an online guide that acts as your support system, nutrition coach, and weight loss expert to transitioning into the keto lifestyle to get in the best shape of your life and to achieve optimal health. The keto diet is a wildly popular style of diet that, instead of restricting you to nothing but green vegetables, it focuses on low-carb, high-fat foods. Yes, you can even eat bacon and butter. And no, there's no magic weight loss pill, ancient yoga stretch or meditation chance to repeat. Spoiler alert, those things never work for sustainable, healthy weight loss. So, if you're ready to form new healthy habits that go beyond your diet and extend into a healthy lifestyle, then it's time to take the 28-Day Keto Challenge. Here's what you can expect when you get started. What is the 28-Day Keto Challenge? Studies have shown that it takes as little as 18 days to form a new habit. 28-Day Keto Challenge serves as your guide to doing just that and to transforming your current lifestyle into a keto-friendly one. It's highly focused on eating a low-carb, high-fat diet that puts your body into ketosis, which is a normal metabolic process that burns stored fat for energy. You can still eat all the foods you love, as long as you make substitutes for the ingredients that aren't good for you. You receive immediate access to the program as soon as you purchase. You just go in and access or download the content onto your desktop computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. This includes 1. Keto diet, the basics. 2. Eating on keto meal plan and tips for curbing cravings. 3. Intermittent fasting, tips for success. 4. Keto and friends, dealing with social pressures. 5. Keto flu, beating it in a healthy way. 6. Ketosis, tips for staying in ketosis. 7. Macros, a micro look at macronutrients. 8. 28-day meal plan. 9. Bonus 1. Chocolate fat bombs and desserts. 10. Bonus 2. Keto desserts. 11. Bonus 3. Keto-friendly avocado recipes. 12. Bonus 4. Supplements guide. Put all of this together and you have a comprehensive guide that educates, guides, supports, advises, and shows you how to transform your life by forming new keto-friendly habits. Since everything is online, or downloaded onto your tech devices depending on what you choose, you have the program with you whenever and wherever you go. You don't have to lug around massive textbooks or worry about getting to the grocery store only to realize you've left the shopping list at home. Everything is readily available to you as long as you have your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Now, if you've had bad luck with weight loss programs in the past, haven't we all? And are intimidated to try something new, you have 2 months to give the 28-Day Keto Challenge with the 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can complete the program 2 times before deciding if boosting your body's natural ketosis capabilities is for you. Overview of the 28-Day Keto Challenge program. 28-Day Keto Challenge is the most comprehensive keto program out there. It comes with an abundance of valuable information that teaches you exactly what ketosis is and how it helps you lose weight. Then, it comes into the types of foods that will help increase ketosis and keep you in it longer, how to overcome social situations and temptations, and much more. And once you have all the knowledge you need to understand how the keto diet will improve your life and health, it provides you with a 28-day plan to putting your newfound knowledge into action. Here's a quick view for the main program components. 1. Keto diet, the basics. Learn the basics of the keto diet, how it works and who it works for, the benefits, keto shopping lists and tips for success. 2. Eating on keto meal plan and tips for curbing cravings. Access 10 breakfast recipes, 14 lunch recipes, and 14 dinner recipes, as well as snack options, healthy tips for overcoming cravings and a 28-day meal plan. 3. Intermittent fasting, tips for success. Learn about intermittent fasting, the 5 different types, and the benefits of using intermittent fasting to kickstart ketosis and accelerate fat loss. 4. Keto and friends, dealing with social pressures. Learn how to survive social pressures and temptations. 5. Keto flu, beating it in a healthy way. Learn helpful ways to lessening the keto flu symptoms. 6. Ketosis, tips for staying in ketosis. Learn how to tell if you're in ketosis, as well as helpful tips for staying in ketosis longer to maximize your weight loss. 7. Macros, a micro look at macronutrients. Learn how to calculate how many grams of protein, fat, and carbs you're eating each day, and how to use this information to stay in ketosis. You also receive the following bonuses for absolutely free, and a free sample of fat-burning ice cream. Bonus 1. Chocolate fat bombs and desserts. Bonus 2. Keto desserts. Bonus 3. Keto-friendly avocado recipes. Bonus 4. Supplements guide. How does the Keto Over 40 28-day challenge work? Recipes are the primary factor that makes this product work. You will find countless recipes that work for your weight loss and better health. The combination of recipes will make you drop weight within 28 days or less. However, you might have to follow the keto plan as given in the product to get it to work for you. Benefits of using Keto Over 40 28-day challenge. Control blood sugar. Unbalanced blood sugar can give you a diabetes disease. But don't worry, because this keto diet helps to control the blood sugar so that you don't get any harmful disease. Balance hormones. Unbalanced hormones can disturb your healthy life cycle, so this product also supports women in adjusting their hormones so that they can enjoy a healthy life. Lose weight. No matter whether you are over 40 or 60, you can get the weight loss results from this product within 28 days. That's 2 without following a hard workout plan. Frequently asked questions. How much does the Keto Over 40 28-day challenge cost? It will cost you $37, and you will get 3 bonuses in the same amount as well. So it's a great deal for women over the age of 40. What if Keto Over 40 28-day challenge do not work? There is a refund option with this keto product, so if it doesn't give suitable results, then you can get your full money back. Does the Keto Over 40 28-day challenge have side effects? You might face the keto flu and a few other minor side effects on trying the keto diet. However, these side effects are going to be small, which you can overcome quite easily. Advantages. The best advantage of all is that you have everything you need to embark on the keto journey. Even if you aren't familiar with the keto diet, the 28-day keto challenge gives you the information needed, so you can understand what it's all about and whether or not it's for you. It also helps that thousands of people have successfully, permanently lost weight, for good. Having the program online and in digital format is also a huge benefit, as it ensures you have what you need to commit to turning this program into your new lifestyle. This also leaves little to no room for excuses, which was great. The 60-day money-back guarantee was an awesome confidence boost that makes getting started risk-free, but as soon as I got started, I didn't think, even once, about returning this program as it doesn't take long to look and feel great. Disadvantages. The 28-day keto challenge leaves very little room for disadvantages. You have absolutely everything you need to succeed, from meal plans to shopping lists, recipes, information, tips, you name it. However, if I had to choose something, I would say that it would be nice to have a physical copy of the program since some people don't like technology. Though, there is a huge benefit to having it digitally, so I understand why this isn't offered. Conclusion. The 28-day keto challenge guides you along the way to activating ketosis through diet and turning your new diet into a habit. It is your support system, nutrition coach, and weight loss expert, and you have 2 months to try it with the 60-day money guarantee. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your 28-day keto challenge today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.